Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a tutorial on how to remove this weird looking permanent underwear that the Zois come with, and that makes it really difficult for certain custom content clothing. Hopefully this is going to be like a temporary solution until the game gets updated and they can update this issue, because every content that you download that is a little bit revealing like this, or like bathing suits, will show up like that. So you can actually make it look like this, and this mod is really easy to install. You just have to know where you're going to install the files. First, you want to head over to nexusmods.com. You're going to sign up for a free account in order to be able to download the mods. And the first mod you're going to download is going to be called the Inzoi Mod Enabler. You're going to click on this button here that says Manual, and it's going to download either slow or fast, depending if you have the free or premium account. Now, this is going to download a zip file into your computer, and you're going to extract the zip file, and inside that folder is going to be this folder that says Blue Client. You're going to copy that folder, and you're going to go to this PC, Windows, Program Files, Steam Apps, Common, Inzoi, and you're going to paste it in this folder. What it's going to do is going to replace that Blue Client folder that it's already in there. So you're going to go ahead and click paste and click on replace the files in the destination. I already have it, so I'm not going to do it in this video. Load this mod. I had to cover a couple of things here, but you're going to click on manual, and you're going to download this one, the first option. This is going to remove that gray undergarment for the top and the bottom of your Zoi. If you only want the top, then you can click on the second option. Again, the links will be below this video. Again, it's going to be a zip file, so you're going to extract all the files, and you are going to get a folder with these 3 files. You're going to copy those 3 files, and we're going to go back to that Blue Client folder that we replaced, remember? So you're going to click on Blue Client, Content, Packs, Mods, and you're going to paste those 3 files there. As you can see, I already have it, so I'm not going to do it again. And that's it. That's all you have to do. Let me know what you guys think of this tutorial, and let me know what else you want to see from this channel. I hope you guys liked it. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.